for the guy. That's for the door.
Horsey.
There's a horsey maybe in that barn. You think so? Think there's a horsey in there? Yeah.
The hay.
There's hay, yeah. That's for horses.
This what? This what?
That's red.
The blue.
Tire.
You cut that.
Good. Staying right in the lines.
You
Color in a
cut
circle. You color in the circle?
It's cut the. It's cut the.
Yeah, you even colored that. Very good. You're a good colorer.
This.
You want this color?
I would die. Eat it. I would eat that. Eat it. There you go, Mama. There you go.
Thank you, sweetheart.
I would eat. No. Oh.
Can't have the cap on it.
No, he has to hold the cap.
Then he wants you to put it on after a while.
Well, why don't you do
Where was taking your picture? A movie.
Mama, black.
That's gray.
Mama, that.
You want black?
No, what's a purple?
Want gray?
No.
Want purple?
Mama.
That's purple. You want purple? You want purple?
No. Mama, a color too.
You want me to color too?
That.
What color? What color you want me to color?
This.
Which one do you want me to color?
This.
You have that one. Ethan has that one. Which one do you want Bumper to color? Pick it.
Blue.
That blue? Okay. Thank you.
Here you go. Here you
Let
go.
me put this in there. Okay, here I go. Thank you. Yeah, I can't even get these covers.